Hey boss babes, what's up? It's Coco from Man Couture. So today, if you guys are new, make sure that you hit the subscribe button because we are about to get into it, okay? So the first things first, if you're running a business, these are a few tips that's going to help you. It helped me throughout my lifetime. I'm OG in the game. Okay, let me say this again. I really have been doing hair for a long time. It's been about roughly around 18 to 19 years. I got my license in high school, and I am always consistently booked, and it's been like that for a while. So these just are a few things that helped me along the way. So the first things first, let's start off with promoting and marketing. You're gonna have to come in the games to wing it. First of all, everything that we are doing right now is saturated because every single thing we're doing, it has social media. People are learning about it. They want to start their business. It had never been this many people wanting to start a business until now. I won't even say until now. For the last couple of years, people have been wanting to be entrepreneurs. So if we're going to do that, we got to know what we're doing and how we're going to get out there. Like how we're going to get out there for people to know who we are. Promote on every social media. Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, YouTube, and now YouTube got YouTube Shorts, a bomb. If you don't even have a YouTube channel, start off with YouTube Shorts. I promise you, guarantee you, somebody's gonna see you. Okay, period, point blank. Also, Pinterest. Y'all be sleeping on Pinterest, but Pinterest really got the game. Pinterest it's not so many people on there, so you're gonna be on Pinterest like you'll be like, I don't think the post on Pinterest. Yes, start your Pinterest, start your have a business page, and you can run ads on there. So when I say marketing such as getting out there, getting the people to know who you are. Like, how they gonna know who you are if you don't show up? You gotta show up. When I say marketing, when I first started, y'all, before social media was even popping, like, I was literally in every Beauty Supply, putting my cards. I would drive, my husband would drive, we would take turns. We would go to the biggest parking lots, and I'll pass out cards, y'all. I'm telling y'all, I would do so much stuff just to get people attention and just to let them know who I am. And like to this day, people like, my husband like, dang, you know a lot of people. Because I really get out there and I market. I talk to people. I let them know, hey, it's me, it's Coco. I do hair. I do this, or whatever else. Another thing is when you're posting, make sure that you're posting with your hashtags. Don't just solely rely on social media. Don't solely rely on Instagram. Like, I get it. Instagram is where we go, y'all. We put the hashtags in, and boom, we're going to find what we need, right? But it's not just all about that. Everybody don't use Instagram. You got the older people who really going to spend some money. You got the younger people who going to spend some money because they got good jobs now. You know what I'm saying? So, you got a mixture of people that's using. Get that mixture of money. Like, I'm just saying, I'm not trying to be greedy. I'm just letting you guys know. Like, you got the, in your area, you have what's called the Nextdoor app. Get on Nextdoor. Talk to these people. Post yourself. Let them people know you are here. Run it. Run it up. Let them know. Talk to them. Get into these Facebook groups. On the Facebook groups, you're going to post, like, just say like I'm from Houston. Houston hairstylist or Houston business or whatever. Get on there, post. And what I normally do is I go to the search. Once I'm in the group, go to the search. Type in hairstylist, something. Anybody who's talking about what they're looking for, hairstylist. If they're talking about anything like catering, whatever. When you put that keyword in, go to the status. Say, hey, introduce yourself. Let them know who you are and put your booking link down there. Do you understand me? Like the status. Talk to them. Say something to them. Get out there and talk to people. Another thing, have your business cards. And everybody don't like to have business cards. Me, I used to have business cards. After a while, they was just sitting in my purse for a long time. They get wet, water get on, something. They all sticking together at this point. So what I did was, you can also get what's called Pop It. This is my phone right here, y'all. So what you do is called a Pop It. You get somebody else's phone. Just say, for instance, this is their phone, okay? Get their phone, tap it, and everything gonna pop up. All my information gonna pop up. Another thing is on there, even if it does that, if it don't pop up, you can put it on your wallet. If you see on my wallet, I don't know if y'all can see that, but on my wallet, I automatically have a QR code. When it goes on there, you click on my QR code. Everything about me is in that QR code. Every social media I'm on, my website, what I do, what I sell. So you ain't got to be trying to get them all your website. Tap, and you got all my information right there on the spot. They got Pop, they got Dot, they got Blink. It's a couple of them out there, but and it's not that bad, y'all. Just do it. Like, seriously. But like I said, that was number one. That was promote. Number two is do some free work. When I say do some free work, I mean you can post and say I need models. You can do that, but if you don't want to, find you somebody, one of your little sisters or one of your cousins or somebody. Make sure that are camera friendly. Don't be getting a girl that look like Shrek and trying to run your business. Listen, y'all. Talk to me. Now, come on now. Shrek been turned into Prince Charming. He didn't do all that. So you want to get you somebody who is going to be the face of your business. You know what I'm saying? Like, I had my little sister for so long, y'all, since she was yay high. Like, we was using her for so long. I done got the young clients. I done got the medium clients. I done got the middle-aged clients and the older clients. All because I promoted with her. When you promote with that person that is camera friendly, meaning cute in the face, and you know they can rock the hairstyle, okay? Work with me here. When you do their hair, you can tell them, hey, you can buy your own hair. I do your hair for free. You know what I'm saying? Or if you got some scraps around the house, just do it. Do the style, put it together, and then now everything is free, and then they'll work for you. Basically, they're going to go out, promote you. They don't necessarily have to do a whole lot of work, because if you make people do a lot of work, they ain't going to do it. So you can just tell them, shout me out every now and then. You know what I'm saying? Let your friends know who I am. Let your homegirls know who I am. When they go to work, it's over. Everybody at work, yo, who did your hair? Who did your hair? Who did your hair? Oh, my sister did my hair. And when they do come, you know, just continue to do her hair, or whoever. Get you at least 2 to 3 people in different areas. You know, north side, south side, east side, west side. You're going to get them from all over. And then make sure that you're doing their hair and then promoting. Now let's talk about number 3. Number 3 is investing in your business. Y'all, this is so freaking important. You gotta spend some money. Let me tell you something. If you don't have the money, go get you a side hustle. Go get you something until your business is popping like you want it to pop. I guarantee you. Do you understand me? When Ship came out, let me tell y'all something. When the pandemic hit, I'm going to be honest, I didn't want to go into my savings and use my savings for the time that we had to close down the salon. I'm like, nah, I don't want to touch my money, man. Like, seriously. So I signed up for Ship, and let me tell y'all what I did. When I signed up for Ship, I'm not gonna lie, that's a cool little job. You're delivering groceries. You don't have to talk to these people. You don't have to see them or nothing. They're gonna put in their grocery list. You go. You do what you gotta do, and you drop them off at the door. Y'all, I would get extra tips. Like, I was doing Ship making $1,000 a week. Let me tell y'all, I loved it during the pandemic. Now, when the salon opened back up, I ran back to the salon, but also I didn't have to touch my savings. But this, to make a long story short, when I was doing Ship, okay, my side hustle, at the time, I would do the groceries, put a little thank you note in there, and I would sign it personally. They give me a little extra tip. But also, I would drop my business cards in every single bag. I ain't lying, y'all. And then once I would do that, I would also go into the restrooms. This is also part of promoting and marketing. I would go into the restrooms, like whatever store I'm at, Ross, TJ Maxx, Target. I know y'all love Target. Y'all stay in Target. Always in there. Go to the bathrooms, y'all. Put y'all business cards in them stalls. Trust me, the women are looking, honey. Put them in them stalls. Wherever you go, whatever event you go to, make sure you're putting your cards in those stalls too. That also goes a part of with the promoting and the marketing as well. Okay? When I say invest in your business too, I mean run you some ads. It don't have to be a whole lot. Instagram will do it to where you can spend like $30, $2 a day or something like that. It don't have to be that much. Run you a little something and see where it goes from there. Okay? You're gonna use your emails. Make sure you're getting your clients' information when they come into you. Get their emails. You have their phone number. You can do SMS messaging, text, email, you know, all that good stuff or whatever. The search engine. When you have a website, make sure that you tell the person who's creating your website, even if you create it, if you are a hairstylist or if you are anything, you do trash, you run a trash company or whatever. When you do your website, you guys, what you want to do is make sure in the SEO, you want to make sure on your website somewhere it says the word hairstylist. And the reason why I say that, because the people in your area look up hairstylist in spring, hairstylist in Denver, whatever. If they're looking up that word, your website gonna pop up because now it's in the search engine. Believe it or not, it works. I've done it plenty of times. Like, I promise you. Another thing when I say invest, the pop thing, it's not free. Like, the one that I have, I pay like $6.99 a month. I mean, $6. Y'all eat up $6 at the grocery store, at the corner store. I know y'all be at Jack in the Box getting 2 tacos and the egg roll. That's $6. Like, you know, use that money, use your fast food money to invest. Cut back on something else and invest into your business. Invest into some apps, your video making apps. The video making apps that are good for you, make sure you invest in them. What's the other one? You got Hashtag Creator, you can invest in that. Like, make sure that you're investing into the apps that's actually going to help you run your business. That matters. I promise you it does. The little $5, $10 a month, I mean, you might total up to a good $60, but that $60 is going back into your business. It's going to double, triple, quadruple once the clients start rolling in. Number 4, be consistent. Put in the work. If you are not consistent, I promise you, y'all, let me tell y'all something. I had stopped being consistent one time, and I swear it was like a drought. Like, I was on TikTok killing it. And next thing you know, I stopped. I'm like, ugh, I don't want to post no more. But when you stop, believe it or not, right now in 2023, in 2021, in 2020, anything in this social media environment right now, everything is content. Like, I know you don't want to do it. I know you're tired. You're going to be tired being an entrepreneur anyway. So believe it or not, your little 9 to 5 is going to be worse when you become an entrepreneur. Trust me, ain't no 9 to 5 no more. But when you get on there, you have to be consistent and put in the work. When I say that, I mean post consistently on all the platforms. If you're going to post on Instagram, make sure you take that time. You're going to post on Twitter, post on Facebook, post on Pinterest, post on YouTube Shorts. I don't care. You post your YouTube Shorts, go back and do the video later. But at least post your Shorts. Every day, you need to have those same videos on all platforms. Run it up. I swear, it's going to work. Run it up. You want people to know you from all over, not just Houston, not just, you know, what it is, Louisiana. None of that. We trying to get worldwide known, y'all. Bring in the bag, honey. Do you understand me? People going to be flying to come sit in your chair. I promise you. Another thing, get creative. When I say get creative, make sure your page is looking decent, y'all. Don't just be on there posting random stuff. Just post any old thing. You know, you want to make sure that you get creative with your content. When I say get creative with your content, you want to make sure you go to Etsy. You go to Etsy, get you a couple of flyers, some cute ones. Make sure in your particular brand that you have a really, you know, make sure it's pretty and that it stands out. Now, it ain't got to be bold, you know, everybody doing little cartoon stuff. Baby, cut the cartoons. Cut it. I promise you, cut the cartoons, okay? Now, this might not be for everybody, but I know for me, I like classy and chic or whatever. You pretty much want your logo and your brand to model what type of clients you want. You know what I'm saying? Like, if we just a little too bold, sometimes it can be a little too bold for the clients, and then you gonna get Ray Ray and Boo Boo coming to sit in your chair. If you want something classy and chic, then you can get the classy and chic clients. It works different for everybody. I'm not saying it's just that's the thing, but that's just a great tip to look for. Okay. Also, you have what's called Fiverr. If you don't have the money for Etsy, get on Fiverr, get your flyer for $5, get your website for $10, maybe $20. You know, there's ways to get things done and get creative without having to break the bank. You're still investing at the same time you're being creative. Okay, you guys? You want to make sure that you're doing that to bring your business up. Like, we want to be seen, y'all. Like, we want to be out there. You don't want to be little people. Remember, we one ant in a pile of ants. How you going to find us? So you got to show out. You want to be the ant with the big booty shaking? Or you want to just be the ant just walking, just following everybody? We're going to be the big booty shaking, honey. And we're going to pop it out. Now, you ain't got to be really out there shaking your butt on camera. I'm not saying that. What I'm saying is just get yourself known and get out there. Be creative. Be consistent. Okay? Another thing is build relationships, you guys. Once you meet these clients, build relationships. Like, the biggest thing I could tell people is, like, me and my clients, like, we end up being, like, friends. Like, we be friends so much, y'all. Sometimes I really be have to cut it. Like, I be like, dang, I really need to be mean to her because, Ooh, I ain't got no room for no more friends, but that's just how cool we are, y'all. But I promise you, that's just how it is. And when I also say build relationships, you're going to build relationships when you're going out, y'all. Like, when you're going out and about, like, this goes back to promoting. Everything I tell you, it goes into rotation and it all works together. I promise you it does. So, when I say build a relationship, y'all, so what I do is I'll go to the grocery store and I'm shopping. I'm looking and I'm talking to people. I'm like, hey, you know, how you doing? May I ask who does your hair? And where do you go to get your hair done? Are you from this area? I just want to let you know I just moved here down the street. If you'd like to come check me out, boom. Go ahead and scan. You have a card? Here you go, baby. Just scan my thing right here. And then you talking. Boom. Next thing you know, we got a consistent client coming. I have done everything on this list, and it has not only helped me, it has helped everyone I have mentored, everyone that works in my salon. Like, I even tell them, hey, y'all, let's post, let's do this, let's do this. Have an accountability party if you need to. Set a timer on your phone if you need to. Do whatever you need to do to make it work. You know, what they say, faith without works is dead. Same thing here. Like, if you can manifest all day long, but if you just waking up and you going to sleep, what we getting? We ain't getting nowhere. We ain't getting nowhere. So, what I'm saying is build a good relationships. Go out, talk to people. Let them know, hey, this is me. Hey, how you doing? So, let's talk about the tips again. I'm sorry, y'all. I'm rambling. I'm a little excited because I'm back on the scene with the YouTube. So, y'all just work with me. The first things first is promoting and marketing. Second is do free work, you know. Third is invest into your business and branding. Be consistent. Put in the work. I can't say that enough. Be consistent and put in the work. 5 is get creative with your marketing, get creative with your brand, and just let people know where you stand and your flyers. Let them know what you do. We have to get out there so we can be seen, you guys. And 6 is building your relationships. You know what I'm saying? So I hope y'all are listening to everything that I said, and I hope y'all take heed to this and do everything I told y'all to do. Go out there, make you some money, come back, let me know. If you like this video and you want to see more like this, more business tips, please let me know and comment below, you guys, and let me know what you want to hear. I am very excited to be back on this journey with y'all. Like, I'm going to be showing you all type of stuff. It'll be business, from hairstyles to how I grew my salon suites and everything, okay? Love you. Bye-bye.